Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will teach you how to unrepost on the TikTok. So if you have reposted any video and now you want to delete it, watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your TikTok. To show you an example, I simply repost new video. So as you can see, I have reposted a new video. Once you will do it, you have to click on the profile from the right bottom, and on the third one you will see a repost icon. So as you can see, video is here. So this is the video basically I have reposted. Simply you have to click again on the share button, and here you will see remove repost. Just click on it, and once you will do it, now you can see this video is unrepost. So this is the way to unrepost any video on the TikTok. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.